nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys here in Georgia. Today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me. I have, sorry, I was missed. Today is gonna be an interesting one. The living room isn't too bad. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm trying to do a new type of filming where it's kind of more vlog style and I try to talk to you more. Let me know how you like it. This will be the first video kind of like that. Well, first cleaning video kind of like it. The living room isn't too bad, but the kitchen, the kitchen is awful. I have clothes everywhere because our washing machine and dryer is in the kitchen, so we have clothes sitting around everywhere. I have to put up some groceries, I have to do dishes, the floor, like it's a mess. I'm gonna try to get the hallway and the bathroom clean too tonight, but I'm kind of on a time constraint because I want to get in bed at a good time and it's already like almost 9:30. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is what we're working with in the living room. Just a few baby toys around. Parker didn't get his toys out of his room today, so there's not as much of a mess, but there is like crackers all over the floor from Oliver. And then I just need to clean up behind my couch, put cushions back on, you know, the works. And this is what I have to work with in the kitchen. As you can see, there's stuff all over the table. I have dishes to put up, dishes to clean, things to throw away. There's clothes everywhere. There's actually clothes in the washing machine, so I can't do more. And they're old, so I have to restart those. And then there's just like seasoning on the counters. These probably need to be, ew, these need to be thrown away. Gross. Honestly, these probably need to be thrown away too. Anyways, let's get into this. I don't even know where to start. Probably right here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to get this table cleared off. If you've seen in my last few videos, or any video really, you know that our kitchen table is kind of a catch-all. It's just, we put everything there, and so I had a few groceries that I needed to put up, some bowls, and I had like a toothbrush holder that I just bought and things like that sitting around. So we're going to get that put up, and then I'm also going to organize Oliver's drawer that we have full of his food. I'm going to organize that as well.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I feel We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you.
This high chair always has so much food on it, no matter how many times I clean it. So I just had to pick up some of the fries that he had dropped into the high chair, and then I'm going to put up the clean dishes so that I can do the little bit of dirty dishes that we have sitting in the sink.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips.
So if you're new here, hi, my name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys here in Georgia. On this channel, you are going to find tons of cleaning motivation, different homemaking videos such as cleaning, and some daily vlogs as well. I hope that you guys will join me and join this little community that I'm trying to build over here, and I would love to get to know you in the comments.
Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need.
If you watched my last video, then you know that cleaning the sink is my favorite chore. It is just so therapeutic to me, so I love watching this clip back.
Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. I know you're hurt. I can see your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. Yeah, I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light.
I actually had the hardest time filming me mopping and sweeping up the kitchen floor because while I was filming this, my ring light decided it wanted to fall and break. So for the rest of this video, I had to finesse my ring light to get it to stay so that I could finish filming. Just a little fun fact for you.
Oh, I'll be your guiding light. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun.
At this point, Jared had come home, so you're going to see him in the clips. And there's actually a funny part coming up where he tries to get out of the way of the camera to go into the kitchen, and he's like army crawling across the floor. Here it goes. Actually, it is so funny to me that I had to slow it down so you could see it. But I didn't cut it, did I? And I'm not cutting this out either.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
So if you have a toddler, then you know that they are incredibly messy, especially when it comes to their snacks. And I have a toddler and a baby who is just now introducing himself to foods, and we don't have to make them sit at the table or anything like that when they're eating their snacks. So I get crumbs in my rug very, very easily, very, very quickly. So I thought it was a good idea to just shake it out and sweep up the mess.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna skip.
At this point, Oliver had woken up, so I just wanted to quickly change out the toothbrush holder and clean the toilet, and that's going to be the end of the video. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hope it gave you some motivation. I will talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below letting me know what you thought. Bye, y'all.